In this video, we'll be covering how to print images. With the correct patient bridged, hit the green print button on the bottom left. Select the desired exam. In this print layout, notice there is a page setup at the top. The default orientation is portrait, so it is recommended to use the landscape, especially for an FMX. If you notice in the preview that the image is smaller than you expected and the white borders are too large, try adjusting the margins half an inch at a time. Notice in the preview that the image has enlarged and the margins are rather small. On the left, you'll have 3 options to print. The yellow print button allows you to print one or more selected items. The green print all button prints all of the images on individual pages. And the purple print exam button allows you to print one exam with all 18 images on one page. For the yellow print button, select the desired images you wish to print and hit the yellow print button. You'll have to adjust the properties depending on your printer settings. Change the page format to include all of the images on one page. If you do not change the page format, the selected images will print on one page per image. Hit the OK button to print. For the green print all button, it'll print all of the images on individual pages. So it's definitely not recommended for a full FMX. Rather, use the purple print exam button to allow you to print all of the images on one exam on one page. No extra settings need to be changed. Hit OK to print that one page.